Welcome to this step-by-step guide on using the stylebook on WordPress.com in just 5 minutes. In this tutorial, you will learn how to easily navigate through the WordPress interface and apply a new style to your website. To begin, open your web browser and head to the WordPress website. Once you are on the site, locate the login option positioned at the top right corner of the page. This clearly marked option is your gateway into your website management dashboard. After clicking on the login button, you will be presented with account options. Choose the option that lets you continue with your preferred third-party service. In this case, click on the Continue with Google option. Once you select this, a new window or prompt will display your Google account options. Choose the account with which you want to log in, and wait a moment as the system authenticates your credentials and logs you in securely. Once logged in, direct your attention to the Quick Links section visible on your dashboard. This section is designed to help you access the most commonly used features quickly and efficiently. Within these quick links, locate the Edit Site option and click on it. This action will transition you to the site editor, where you have full control over the appearance and settings of your website. The site editor is the central hub for customizing your site's look and design. Now that you are in the site editor, you will notice a series of tools and options arranged around the interface. Focus on the top right corner of the screen where you will find a button labeled as the Style button. When you click on this Style button, a specialized set of design options is activated. This particular appointment in the editing process allows you the freedom to change the overall styling of your site quickly and easily, using the built-in style book. After clicking on the Style button, shift your focus to the right panel of the page. Here, you should see either an icon that represents an eye, or an icon explicitly labeled as the Style Book icon. This icon is your next target. Clicking on it will bring forth the Style Book options, which provide a preview and a range of styling configurations that can be applied directly to your website. The options presented here may include different color themes, font selections, or layout adjustments. Now that you have the Stylebook open, carefully browse through the available styling choices. Each option is intended to give your website a distinctive look, and selecting one will allow you to instantly preview how the style integrates with your current design. Once you have decided on the style that best suits your preferences and the identity of your website, apply it to your site. The application of this style is seamless and will transform the overall aesthetic of your site without disrupting your content. This concise tutorial has walked you through the process from accessing WordPress, logging in with your Google credentials, navigating through the quick links and site editor, to finally applying a new style using the Style Book. The journey is designed for simplicity, ensuring that even new users can confidently update the look of their website. Enjoy the enhanced appearance of your site as you explore the creative possibilities offered by WordPress.